Okay, we're over here, go to math.com, click on the algebra. Let's go down to, what are we doing? Adding and subtracting? I guess that's what we're doing. Okay. And 6.2. I had to take a break today. Computer ran out of juice. Plugged it in. Went and studied some Python. Took a nap. Worked in the garden. Now I'm back. Okay. Okay, I gotta make sure. This looks a lot like the last problem I just did. Okay. Alright, let's let me look at 6.1 here real quick. Oh, I see the difference. Sorry about that. We've got an additional one there. Okay. Alright, so let's write this down. I'll write it down. Somebody write it down. So they're asking us to find f plus g plus h. And who's they? Anyway, we got 7 over 17, so we're having to deal with fractions here. Plus 18x minus 2, and then g. My microphone straightened out. G is equal to 5 over 14 x squared minus 6x plus 12, and then it looks like h is equal to 13. Alright. Okay, we got all that. I'm going back and checking, making sure I wrote it all down right. 6x, 12, alright. Because there's one thing I do not like, and that is not writing something down correctly, and then guess what? Okay, so we want to find f plus g plus h. We're going to kind of spread it out up here. And okay, so we got to f, and we said f was 7 something over 17, right? X squared plus 18x minus 2. And then we have plus, so this is our plus sign here, and g, which is 5 over 14. So at this point in your algebra career, if you've been following me, working through these sections, or especially this one, you should pretty much have this figured out. And then plus, and then h we said was just 13. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is collect up some like terms, and that's going to be the 7 over 17 and the 5 over 14. We're going to add both those together because we have an x here with an exponent of 2 and exponent of 2. Right. So let's go ahead and just write it like this. 7 over 17 plus 5 over 14, and I'll let you figure out what that is. Right, we've got a section on fractions. This is not supposed to be over fractions. We have 18x minus 6x, and that looks like that's the only terms in here that are like. And so we got, what is that going to be? 12, 6, 7, 8, 12x. Alright, and then we got the negative 2 plus 12 is 10, and then plus 13 is going to be 23. Plus 23. Right? Okay, so at this point, maybe you've already gotten what 7 over 17 plus 5 over 14 is actually going to turn out to be, once we collect it all up and whoa, what is that? So we get this nice lovely thing, 183 over 238. Just never know what you're going to get. X squared plus 12x plus 23. Okay? Alright. What are we doing? Let's go back. Let's hit answer. Let's, what did I say? 183 over 238? I think that's what I did say. Let's go over here. Bring this back up. 183 over 238 x squared plus 12x plus 23. Gotcha. I got to flip back and forth. Now, as you can see here, we're going to put that coefficient in parentheses. Put that in parentheses. So 183 over 238 x quantity squared plus 12x plus 23. Let's click the check. Correct. I always hold my breath. You never know what it's going to say. I mean, it's either going to say correct or not correct. Okay, so that takes care of that. Anyway, we're over here at gotomath.com practicing some polynomial operations. I guess that's what you could call that. Summing up some monomials to get a polynomial. Summing up some polynomials to get another polynomial. Anyway, so there you are. Come on by, practice. See you later.